Welcome to Non-Nonsense VRBO tips. In this video, I will show you how you can set house rules on your VRBO listing. Try and do this from your computer because VRBO phone app is not suitable for things like this. Once you're logged into VRBO on your computer, just go over to the top right section. You will see your name there. Click on your name and then choose owner dashboard. That will take you to your hosting dashboard. And once you're there, it should open up your property editor page. This is basically your property editor. You will need to click on property on the left hand side and then click on rules and policies option. And on this page, click on house rules, which is the third option here. That opens up your house rules section. The first option here is the maximum number of guests. 6 means maximum number of people who can stay overnight in the property is 6. Out of that 6, if you want, you can control how many should be adults. So for example, you can say 2 adults is the maximum we allow. So if you set it up like this, it means there are 6 maximum guests allowed in the property overnight. And out of that 6, maximum 2 people can be adults. Don't know who would use something like this, but it is an option if that is something you're looking to do. Next is the age limit. On VRBO, you can set an age limit. Airbnb doesn't allow anything like that, but VRBO does. You can just simply click on yes, the primary renter should meet an age requirement, and then you can just mention the age you want. So it doesn't mean that everyone else has to be at least 24 years. The main person who's booking the property should be at least 24 years of age, and they should be the one who's staying in the property. And if you want to write some additional notes here to the guest, you can do that here. For example, you can mention, please bring your ID proof along or something like that, whatever you want. But this is what this option does. The next is, are events allowed? If you allow events at your property, just click on yes, and then you can choose what kind of events do you allow and what is the maximum event attendees. So some properties have massive outdoor space and they don't mind if there are day visitors coming for an event in the property. So this means 50 people can attend the event, but only 6 can stay overnight. Moving on, next one is, are pets allowed? If you allow pets, you can just simply click on yes, and then you can choose the number of pets you allow and the kind of pet you would allow. You can choose that. And if you want to limit the size of the pet, you can do so here. Just choose the weight category and enter the kind of size limit you want to allow. This is great because on Airbnb and booking.com, you can just simply mark pets allowed and they can just bring anything. However, VRBO allows you to control what kind of animals people can bring. The next option is, are children allowed? You can mark it as yes if your property is suitable for children, and you can even choose the age limit that your property is suitable for. And the next one is smoking allowed? If you allow smoking in your property, it lets you choose whether you allow it indoors and outdoors. Along with that, you can write a note to the guest as well. Something like, please clean up the butts before you go. Things like that. You can mention anything and it will be visible to the guest. And the last one is custom rules. This is where you can add your own rules, which are not already covered in the sections above. If you have something very specific to your property, you can mention it here. VRBO allows up to 3 custom rules. That is the maximum you can add. It is free text, so you can write whatever you want. For example, you can write, please don't wear shoes in the house, leave them at the door, things like that, whatever is applicable to your property. And once you're all done, just click on save. After that point, anyone who books your property, VRBO will show the house rules. Only after they accept your house rules, they will be able to book your property. But keep in mind, anything you do now will only apply to your future bookings. Anyone who has booked your property so far, it doesn't apply to them because you can't change the rules retrospectively. Once someone has confirmed their reservation, you cannot change things for them, but it will only apply to the future reservations. I really hope you find this video useful. Please do like and subscribe to my channel and leave me a comment if you would like me to make a video about something which is troubling you. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Until next time, bye-bye.